What's up guys, J-Dog here and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be going over my daily earnings for the days I've done Uber Eats, as well as my monthly earnings so you guys can see how well I've done each month, going from my best month down to my worst month. If you guys are not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button for more content like this. Leave a like on the video and also comment down below if you want to see more content like this. I've been doing Uber Eats since June of this year, so about 5 or 6 months. And I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's quick money to make, a little bit of more income coming in for me to support my family and everything, so I like that. So right now we're going to go into my days of the week that I've done Uber Eats and the total that I've made on those days that I've worked. Starting with Sunday. On Sunday so far, I've only done 4 days on Sundays, totaling a combined $62.96. My best day on a Sunday was $30.44. Mondays and Tuesdays are going to be my best days because those are the 2 days that I am off of work from my job at O'Hare. So I do this on my days off. Just a disclaimer. So on Monday, combined, I've made $709.83, with my best day being $125.06. That was a few weeks ago. I believe that was back in October. Then on Tuesday, combined, I've made $1,002.71, and my best day came way back in July when I made $183.67. I've only done Wednesday one time, and I made $83.58 for that one day. The only day out of the week that I have not done Uber Eats is Thursday, but I will try to do a Thursday Uber Eats sometime next month. Then on Friday, I've done 2 days, making a total of $96.30. My best Friday was $89.30. And Saturday, I've done 4 days working on Saturday, making a combined $155.90, with my best day being $113.91. So, all in all, the days I've made over $100 total have been 8 times. 3 times on a Monday, 4 times on a Tuesday, and 1 time on a Saturday. Those are the only days that I've made over $100. And I try to, let's just say when I go into this, I always put a goal aside of getting $100 a day no matter what. Even if it's slow or busy, my goal is $100. Combined though for 2 days, it comes out to be about $250 to $300 for 2 days. But I have to be working 8 to 10 hour shifts. And what I like doing is I will go out from 10 a.m. till 10, 11 o'clock at night, but I will take an hour for lunch and or dinner, which means I'm not online, I'm not accepting any orders, I'm sitting at home eating, relaxing before going back out. Now we go into my monthly earnings, going from the best month all the way down to my worst month. Starting with my best month, which was last month, October, when I made $616.80 doing 42 trips. This month was my second best month, where I made $462.68 on 60 trips. Third best month was August at $310.54, 47 trips. Then in July, I made $277.33 doing only 40 trips. Then in September, I made $269.49 on 36 trips. And in June, my very first month on the Uber Eats platform, I made $174.44 on 23 trips. Now with July, my best day was a few days after the 4th of July, where most of my income came for that month, when I made $183.67 in one day. And I was online for about 10 hours that day doing 25 trips in that one day. So yes, this is something that I can do. I don't think I can do it full time, but doing it periodically every few days or every few weeks, it's easy for me, so I can make a few $100 here and there. Word of advice to newbies: know your area. Don't accept lowball offers. So if you are getting a $2.50 order going 4 miles, do not take it. Yeah, it might come back to you eventually for a little bit higher, but do not accept that offer at all. You would not make any money because that's automatically no tip right there. And Uber does pay us out after certain deliveries between $2 to $5 depending on how much the order was. So for example, yesterday I had a Shop and Pay order. Expected tip with everything with Uber was $8.08. I dropped off the order and I got paid right away $6.08. And I had to wait the hour or so to get the $2 tip from the customer, which I got. So always watch where you're going and how much you will be getting paid. Because if you take lowball offers, long distances, you will not get paid. Also, if you are in one area for a pickup and your drop off is another area, and you don't want to start getting pinged for new orders in that area that you're not familiar with, you can always stop new requests, which means you're basically offline after you drop off this order, and then you could go back online once you get back to the section you were at. Just a few tips for newbies. So all in all, for me, doing Uber Eats since June, I believe I made about $2,200 so far, which isn't bad, but it could be a lot better. And I'm still learning. I've been doing this for a few months now. I'm still learning the good restaurants, the bad restaurants. And there's certain restaurants I refuse to go to. I don't go to Popeyes. I don't really go to KFC or Taco Bell. McDonald's, it depends on what McDonald's I go to, because sometimes McDonald's doesn't start the order until you get there. So know your area, know the restaurants where you're doing this at, and know what restaurants are going to have the food ready for you when you get there to pick it up. That way you can get out and go. You do not want to spend time waiting at a restaurant for food when you could be out making more money. Also, something new that I've been seeing here, especially in Chicago, and I know a bunch of other Uber Eats drivers have noticed this around the country, we are now getting pinged for 3 deliveries. Usually it was 2, but now it's 3. Watch on the map. When it pops up, you will not see where it's going. You will not see the 3 pickup locations. You will not see the 3 drop-off locations until after you pick up those orders. So be on the lookout for that. And it also goes for the double orders as well. And real quick before I end this video, yesterday I had an order that I dropped off. It was a double order. And after I dropped off the second order, I got a ping for a AutoZone pickup for $2.71. Guess what I did? Declined. Not worth it. Because who knows what it could have been. It could have been tires. It could have been batteries. It could have been some type of car part. It could have been oil. But it did not say anything about what the items were. All it said was $2.71 AutoZone the nearest location where it was dropped off, and customer verification. When I saw that, instant decline. That's it. So if you guys do Uber Eats, be safe, have fun, make that money, because some people can do this full-time and bank. Some people like me who do it part-time do bank, but that is how it is in certain areas. So do what's best for you guys and try to make as much money as you can. Especially now with Christmas coming, make as much money as you guys can. I will leave a link in the description down below for my previous Uber Eats video. It was the Uber Eats beginner tutorial that goes over the whole thing, the login screen, the order screen, the cancellation screen, the item screen, everything. And I will leave that video description down below. Once again, if you guys are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Let's try to get me up to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. Leave a like on this video, and if you want to see more content like this, comment down below letting me know if you want to see more content like this. Hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy spending time with family, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.